Alright guys, so we got this Huracan right here. This is that Huracan featuring all that forged carbon. This went to SEMA, came back, now it's getting wrapped. We're doing a matte army green theme on it. It's gonna look really good. We're gonna leave the forged carbon. This customer is gonna get more forged carbon made later on. One of the things is gonna get the full fender in forged carbon. But for now, we're wrapping it. It's gonna be a mixture of forged carbon, matte army green. It's got these really cool bronze and polished wheels. Car's slammed, it's super loud. Even the roof is forged carbon, so it's gonna look really cool when it's done. Not that much to wrap on it, it's not a full car, so we're gonna be done with this pretty soon.
That's sick.
It looks like it's on fire, no? You think this will fill up the inside of a car with smoke? Yeah. We're gonna bring his car here. I'm gonna act like we're doing something. He'll leave, and then I'll be like, "Bro, I think the computer is catching on fire."
No,
and then we'll just
tell him this is your surprise for working hard.
My buddy sent me a computer, like a file that lets me tune cars now. So I'm gonna do my car, and as a gift, I might do yours. You get like 100 horsepower.
Thank you.
Are you sure you want it?
Yeah.
Can you control it? Can you handle it?
Yeah. He's a sucker for horsepower, so whatever you want to do, if you can give him more horsepower, he's gonna love it.
It's fine, it's fine. Close it. Close it. I'm gonna open the door and be like, oh shit, computer's on fire. Okay, it's good, it's good. I'm gonna go get it. That's not a good sign.
You may need a new ECU. Fried? Oh, I got better.
No, it's the same. No, it's the same sound.
You have to drive it.
A little bit faster, no? A little faster? This is fun.
I'm gonna steal it, okay? I'm gonna steal it.
Yeah, take the blue one, sucker.
I'm gonna steal it. Don't close my back in the bed, okay?
Did you find out?
Hey, what happened that day? You smell very bad, huh?
You smell like shit that day.
Huh? Someone told me you spray in the bag, see?
No,
don't do that. Wow, very bad. Nobody sprayed nothing. You know how I know? Don't do it in the bag. Go. Don't spray, man. Don't spray. That is one of our parts store guys who delivers parts for us. So every time he comes, we joke around with him. Very cool guy, as you guys can see. So he's very funny. Right, Sarkis?
It's the same horsepower, bro. Nothing changed.
No? He's a bull. So we have this beautiful classic here. This car was towed in for, there was no power in it at all. So I believe it's an alternator, maybe some electrical work as well. Excuse me. Make sure it's an RDBLA, so please hold. So this car is in here for most likely an alternator, battery. We're gonna check all the wires, make sure the car is holding charge. That's pretty much it. This thing is used for, this thing goes to a lot of events. They rent this out for weddings and all kinds of different occasions. It's a pretty cool car actually. It looks really, really nice. It's fun to drive. So let's make Javier get this car back on the road.
Go, go, go. Go. 2 foot, go, go, go. Go. 1 foot, go.
As you guys see how tight parking is here at RDB, you got to be very careful, or else you can basically hit about 20 cars a day. So we're also very good at parking, by the way. Sarkis. Our door doesn't work.
Guys, where's the lock?
It's massage. Oh man, it's massage. No, make it hard, right?
Read it.
No.
Read it.
It doesn't make a hole.
I want you to read what it says.
No, I don't.
Look, read it.
No.
It says massage gun.
No.
Read it.
No. Baby, give me sandpaper.
Here we have the Huracan all buttoned up. This car is black. This is that drifting Huracan you've seen online, but now it's wrapped matte army green. So matte army green on the panels that are not carbon fiber. This fender, as you can see, looks a little funky now, in my opinion, because obviously it's not matching all this, but they are creating this whole fender in forged carbon. So pretty soon this is all going to be forged carbon. But for now we have it wrapped matte army green for fun. The customer wanted to change it up a little bit, have a little bit more fun. It's sitting really low on ANRKY Wheels, incredible suspension on it. One of the loudest cars I've ever driven, a little too loud. It's got a VF Engineering Supercharger on there. It's got a custom tune, so loud pops, all that stuff. The whole front right here, everything is replaced. Fender, hood, bumper. As you can see, full forged carbon exposed front bumper, 1016 Industries, 1016 Industries hood, as well as the fenders. We got mirror caps right here, and we got the whole roof with the pillars right here. Pillars, roof, glues on for cosmetic reasons only, but looks cool. Side skirts. This customer is contemplating doing the whole car in forged carbon. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with that. You never know. We might see this whole thing forged carbon soon. Check out the rear stance, looks incredible. That's the way I like it. Almost tucking. Forged carbon wing, 1016 Industries again, of course, and the full rear bumper, custom center exit exhaust system. So yeah, this is a really crazy Huracan. It's got the drifting lever with the parking brake in the back. So yeah, it's got barely any traction on the streets, but a lot of fun to drive. This thing is fun, but it deserves to go on the track for sure. Why is it going towards the wall? Oh no! It's tripping, yeah.
No, it's got it.
It can't get out of this parking lot, man. Hey, man. Imagine just kills us all. Just run us over. We got this Tesla Model X here. This is the first one we did that body kit on. So it looks crazy. Full wrap, Forgiatos, everything. We tried to summon the car outside to get it out of this parking lot. It was going berserk. Didn't know how to clear the wall and the car next to it. So it kept coming back and forth. Eventually we gave up. But yeah, Tesla couldn't figure out how to get out of our parking lot.